Hello guys, there we have a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can make your phone louder. So in the first way we have to open the settings and go to the sound. Now choose it and slide down. Now just open the sound quality and effects and go to the equalizer. Now just slide up all of these sliders. Now your phone should be a little bit louder, but you can also try to download some app from the Google Store. I choose that one. So open it, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you, 3 times and close the window. Now click OK, and now by this little slider you can increase and decrease your phone speaker. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.